Well, I guess the weatherman got it wrong. I'm not planting elderberries just yet. It's a little wet. A little rainy. Take care. Maybe this will blow through. I don't know. So when I went to bed, there was nothing about, rainstorms going on this morning. So the elderberries just have to wait. All my weather stuff said I was going to go another 5 or 6 days with no rain. Not complaining. Life is good. Panda's a little upset. She wants to go potty and she can't. Well, she can. She's just decided she doesn't want to. Alright, well, I will talk to y'all later. Have a good day. Stay dry. Leave it. Leave it. So Panda found a turtle. Panda. No. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. No. Good girl. Leave it. Yes. Panda found a turtle. And it's so nice to know that leave it training works well. Leave it. Yeah, you can pick up a rock. Good girl. Yes. It's got a pretty shell. So I'm hoping it would come out and, say hello. See, this is not her first turtle. This is actually the third turtle that I'm aware of she has seen. The first two I had to take away from her. Leave it. So turtles can carry salmonella. So it's just not something that I want her to chew on or play with. It's got a pretty shell, though. Leave it. Panda. Good girl. Alright, well, I'm going to take Panda back in the house and let this turtle do his thing. Without Panda trying to check him out every 5 minutes. Alright, I will talk at you later.